wheels. That's some baller stuff. Yeah, that's some baller ass shit. 12 cars. So we need 12 cars to come back down. All right, thanks for coming. Just a few safety and back row etiquettes. Headlights on. Speed limit of FSR legally is 80 kilometers an hour. But you will find that we'll always get stuck behind a Jeep or Toyota. If that happens, don't pass them until they pull over and wave you past. And like 12 Subarus behind them, when they find a safe place, they'll pull over. And we'll get to the top about an hour before they do. Whoever's the first vehicle, you all got radios? Perfect. Okay. First vehicles that are leading, always radios back if there's an oncoming. In that note, if you're the first vehicle, don't go in hot in blind corners. Please. We've never had an incident. It's still a back road. Yeah, radio back so everyone knows what's coming down. If you see a cyclist, dirt bikes, ATV, side-by-side, slow down because they don't like it when you blast by them doing 60, 80K. Yeah, I think that's about it.